What's going on, y'all? Fives back at it with another video talking, of course, some affiliate marketing. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. I'm trying to bring a lot of content to the channel weekly, and you guys are not going to want to miss out. I'm trying to build this channel, so go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. But with that being said, let's talk about today's video. I have a great topic for you guys. So basically, I'm talking about an affiliate marketing trick that a lot of people don't utilize, and I don't know why, but this is one of the best methods of getting free traffic to your affiliate offers. Yes, that's right, completely free. There's no trick here in terms of, catch or whatnot. You just basically have this method and you use it, and it's free. You don't have to pay for anything. You don't have to enter your credit card information, none of that, okay? So there's no catch. And it's a great way to bring traffic to your affiliate offer, and it'll let you scale and make you upwards of $100 a day, and you can even do more than that, okay? So what is this method? Basically, it's this website called Quora. If you guys have not heard of Quora, it's basically a website where users come in, they ask questions, and they post those questions, and people can go ahead and answer those questions, okay? It's kind of like how Yahoo Answers is, and Yahoo Answers, I think it's still there, but people don't use it as much. I feel like Quora is kind of a newer thing, and so that's basically what Quora is used for, okay? So you have a bunch of users daily. I don't know what the amount of users they get, but there's millions of questions out there, and you just go in and you answer these questions. So how do you drive traffic to your affiliate offer? Well, basically what you do is if somebody asks a question around your affiliate offer, and you can just look this up. So you search for questions that pertain to the niche of your affiliate offer, and you go ahead and answer those questions, and you throw in and link your affiliate offer. But there's a trick around it, and I'll go and explain to you guys about it. So with that being said, you guys can see I'm here on my computer, so let's just jump right into it. So I'm on Quora right now, as you guys can see on my screen, and I've pulled up a question, okay? And this question is basically, how can I find a good graphic designer to start a project with? I have some skills, I have some ideas, and I will need someone with such skills, to help me bring them to life. So this person really wants a graphic designer. They have ideas, and they just need somebody to do the graphic design work. They don't look very tech savvy, and they want somebody else to handle that. So how would you handle this question, and how would you link an affiliate offer to it? Well, if I go over to my affiliate network with Max Bounty, and whoops, I just went away. Should not have done that. Okay. And let me just make sure that I don't go away again. You see here on Max Bounty that there are a number of commissions for this offer. So this offer is Fiverr. If you guys have not heard of Fiverr, it is a website where basically you can go on it and pay people to do certain things for you. And one of those things is graphic design work. There's a bunch of other things. You can do program and tech, music and audio, voiceover, animation, blah, blah, blah. But the focus here for us is graphic design work. And we see right here, graphic and design pays $30 per lead for certain different things, $24 per lead for another one. So you just get what, maybe 3 or 4 of these leads, and you're at $100, okay? So what would you do? You'd go back to this offer, and you would answer this question, and you would link your affiliate network. So affiliate offer, excuse me. So let me go here and find, I've already answered this question, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull up what I answered this question, or how I answered this question. So if I go down here, alias, so just don't mind that. I go under an alias for these Quora questions, but this is how I would answer it. Honestly, what I would recommend for you, and this is if you are not super tech savvy, remember I said by the question it didn't seem like this person was, is to go ahead and go to Fiverr. And this is where I threw in my affiliate network. So if you see here, I hyperlinked my affiliate offer to this link and to this question. And if I click here, and if I click on this hyperlink, it will take me to Fiverr. And this is how I would get that commission. So if you're not super tech savvy, is to go ahead and go to Fiverr and pay someone to bring your ideas to life. Fiverr is a website where you can pay someone to do graphic designing for you. It would literally cost you $5 for most of the designs. It's more than worth it. You can talk to the graphic designer, tell them exactly what you want and are looking for, and they will send you mock-ups, and then you finalize. Trust me, it's more than worth it to send hundreds or thousands of dollars at these graphic designers that don't even have as much quality. Work smarter, not harder. So again, the key here is not to sound spammy. Okay, you don't want to sound spammy, and you don't want to just look like you're promoting a product. You want to answer the question in the most genuine and best way possible, and I really did, and I had that intention. And then you actually want to give them a product that you, of course, believed in. Folks, I've used Fiverr. Fiverr is a great site, and I would recommend it to anybody because I've used it myself. So this answer doesn't come off as spammy, and this answer doesn't come off as someone just trying to sell something without any sort of groundwork. So this is how I would answer the question. They go ahead and click on your link or hyperlink on Fiverr, and if they buy something, again, you get that commission. This is free traffic. No sidebar or catch method of paying for anything here. You just answer these questions, and if you do enough of these a day, you can drive some serious traffic to your affiliate offer. I'm talking like hundreds, 200s page views a day to your affiliate offer, and you just have to do the math. You get enough page views, you will get conversions, and you can go on from there. So basically, that's the free traffic method that I use. Quora, which is great, and I don't know why more people don't use this. It is one of the best ways of getting free traffic. So I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead and look into this. The key here is a couple things. Like I said, one, don't sound spammy, sound very genuine. Number two is to go ahead and make sure you are only answering those questions where you are finding the affiliate offers for. So real quick, how I would look for these questions is, again, let's stick with graphic design work. And I would say maybe something like, you would use graphic designing for what? If you wanted to create a logo for a YouTube channel, right? How to create logo for YouTube. Search something like that. And here we go. How do I create a thumbnail for YouTube or logo for the own channel? And I see it only has 3 questions answered. Folks, you want to avoid the questions that have like, I don't know, like 150 answers, because your answer is just going to get lost in it. You kind of want to do one with, I would say, between 1 to 10 answers. That's the range I like to stick myself into. And you go ahead and answer this, and you answer the same way I told you, is you would go ahead and you would answer it in a genuine way, and you would link it. So if I answered this question, again, I would say, you know, hey, I would say that if you are looking to create a YouTube thumbnail or logo, it would be much easier to hire someone else to do it, as it would look more professional. One site that is great for this is Fiverr, and you would right here click on the paperclip and enter your URL. This would be your affiliate link, and you would go ahead and submit that question, and you're good to go. So there you go, folks. That is the free method on how to get free traffic to your affiliate offers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching.